The history of double S exhausts is that we've been going for 55 years as of this year. In those years, we've manufactured exhaust systems, water pipes, fuel pipes, from anything for an MGB right up to a huge aircraft tow you'd see at Heathrow Airport. Everything is manufactured to jigs and patterns, and those jigs and patterns are double, triple tested before we actually release a product to the general public. British engineering for British-made cars is, I think, the best thing that we could have in this world. We understand the cars, I've driven the cars, I've had an MGB, I've had an MG Midget. I realise the kind of quality of products that owners want. When you open the box and you see the component and you think, have I made the right purchase? You won't know that until you actually bolt it onto the car and find it actually fits first time. Double S and MGOC Spares have been manufacturing, creating new parts for MG cars for over 40 years now. The great thing is that MGOC Spares have their own development and R&D function, which complements our development and R&D function at the same time. So they often come to us with a great idea, and we then make that for them, and they refine it, and then we get a product we can sell to the general public. We love producing automotive parts for British cars. We're a British manufacturer, and we think it's a great thing. And it's amazing that over the years we've produced so many parts for so many different owners. Double S exhausts offer a lifetime guarantee which allows the purchaser of a stainless steel exhaust system from us to have a guarantee which will carry on for as long as he keeps that car. And we've been doing this now for 55 years. Now, we have other competitors and other companies in the business. They've always been chopping and changing their guarantees. We've always kept the same guarantee. We have very few warranty claims on it, but we have the same guarantee for 55 years.